else coming?
There you go. Corvette.
What? A fucking Camry? Camry's keeping up. What the fuck?
That's insane.
Yeah, this picks up on the top.
Yeah.
Wait, you got me? Dude.
Oh shit.
That bitch was nasty, bro. I can't tell who's winning. Oh, Mustang got it. Yeah, you got a mean top end. Wait, are you looking at parking? I'm like,
Oh, they're fast. I'm the slowest one. At least my BMW.
go. Keep going.
You can smell it in your fucking.
Yeah.
Camry's not gonna win me.
The XSE. What's up, man? It's your boy Jay Briggs, man. You already know what's up, man. But you know what? I got a little treat for y'all today, man. I haven't been recording. I'm so sorry. I've been real busy. You see, I'm at work too, but I'm in Houston right now, you know what I'm saying? But I got a little treat for y'all, man, because I really need to start getting some more content, right? But, you know, I was like, you know what? Might as well stop and check this place out. So We're gonna go stop over here. It's manifestation time, man. It's time to start manifesting because we got a lot of things coming to us. You know, God is good, God is blessed, God is everything. You know, everything we got going on, we keep Him in it. So, we're gonna go check the spot out real quick. Hopefully, y'all like it, man. So, let's get it. M4 is nice. God, no. Ooh, that place is dirty. I mean, this is Jesus, that's more like you right there. I got sick.
This is the second time I was BMW.
Hell yeah. Yeah, on the BMW, yeah. And I got my boy, my worker, Carlos with me, you know what I'm saying? My boy Carlos out here. But, oh man, 812. Y'all know nothing about that, boy. 812 is nice, bro. Jesus. Gorgeous. Yeah, bro. Dude, this is... I mean, y'all let me know in the chats, man, what y'all think, man. What y'all think. You know. This is gonna be like, when this happens, I'm gonna get one of these. I have to get one. God, man. Let's see what else we got out here. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people like these. I'm not really a huge fan. Oh shit! Don't do that. Yeah, man. This 812 is disrespectful. This color is like, I love this blue. Jeez. You gotta manifest, man. You gotta see, come see, shop. Ooh, with the carbon ceramic brakes. This makes me want to sell all my other cars and just like, let's just run it now, you know? Yeah. This is my dream car. Revolto. Revolto is my dream car now. 1,000 horsepower. Look at these wheels, man. Jeez. Dude, that blue. This spec is insane. With the freaking, oh my god, dry carbon. This is my, I think I like this spec. This spec is sick. Leonardo.
Up my jeans. Walk through must get dizzy. I came from my kidneys and I'm trapping like a Martin.
Damn, bro. Yeah, this yellow is just a statement. The yellow is honestly a statement. You know what I'm saying? I think this would be what it would be. You know what I'm saying? But then this white with the wheels. This is it. Hope I'm not gonna get copyrighted. White on white, bro. Man, this white is insane, bro. You know? But we'll see. We're gonna get this on the channel. We're gonna figure whichever one we want to get. We're gonna put it in perspective. We're gonna put it in manifestation. Make it make sense. We're gonna get it, you know? It's a race, it's a marathon, not a race, you know what I'm saying? So in due time, everything works out, you know? After we go do this run, go to Canada, when I come back, we're gonna treat ourselves, man, treat ourselves. Dude, this wrap right here, bro. Matte green? I don't even know what the color this is. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh, bro, the frozen white. Bro, this frozen white is insane, bro. This frozen white. It's something I want to get the wife. Yeah, bro. Oh, there goes one. I was leaving right now. Oh, yeah, that's the 720 that just took off.
Yeah,
No, and the far left one? Yeah. I know, I want to sit one of these. Yeah. Yeah. You got to immerse your body. Is it gated? Oh, not gated. I've always loved these ever since when that movie Belly. You pull up, no, not Belly. Damn, what's the other movie? I'm gonna brain for it. But DMX had bought that person auto. Took off, paid for cash. This is really good. Hey man, this is one of my favorite cars right here, GT3 RS. That blue, bro, oh my god, look at the wheels. That's my spec. That's it right there. That's insane. Wheels. Jesus. Alright, we got a dip set. This was fun. But I ain't gonna handle some of this stuff. Jesus. Okay. Alright. Deal with some more content next time, but I gotta go. Man, so look. I came out, met the homie. I done picked something up. He done brought me something I really needed for the build. Jeez. God. Nasty, nasty. Look at this interior, man. What's your Instagram?
It's one slow V8 Ram.
Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, man, this is nasty. Yeah, bro, we gotta get the baby on the street. We just came and picked something up. I did say before I made a video and it messed up. It didn't record right, so I'm re-recording it. But I'm not gonna let y'all know what it is. But just know we getting plans done on the S14. There's something in there that we really needed. So, man. But yeah, I'll let y'all.
He's gonna be fast,
bro. Oh God. Oh God. Slicks, boy. All-wheel drive, bead locks. Damn it, boy. Alright. But yeah, man. Nah, bro. I appreciate you, man. For real, bro. I thank you. Yeah.
Just let me know if anything, and yeah, just keep me up.
Yeah, man. God damn. So, you know what I mean? But tonight, got a last minute call that there's a car show tonight. So, I'm going to see what San Antonio is about. So, we're going to mob out there real quick. We're going to go check it out. I'm going to meet with my boy Carlos and Levi and a couple of homies, you know what I'm saying, and Aiden. So, hope we get some good content today. And then, we need to get back to uploading, man. We need to get uploading religiously. You know, last couple videos kind of designed, but we need to get into some like real deal action and no more bullshit. Let's get to it. You know what I'm saying? But let's go see what this car meet's about, and then make sure y'all like and subscribe, and please comment down below, man, what y'all want to see, what y'all like about the videos. Critique me, man. Talk your stuff, man. Let me know what y'all think. And really, you know, I want feedback, man. So, you know what I'm saying? It only makes me better, you know what I'm saying? So, I appreciate y'all, man, for everybody that's, you know, tuned in, everybody that's liking and sharing and stuff so far, man. Y'all amazing. So, but we got some big news, man. S14's finally. Hey, man. Hey. Ain't no more talking, man. I'm gonna show y'all what hard work and dedication does. We literally been grinding. We've been away. We haven't done no videos. I know everybody's asking what's going on with the videos. Even my kids, their friends at school, they asking what's up with the videos. So we're back. We're good. You know what I'm saying? But I had to keep my head down. I had to work. I had to grind. And this is gonna be the fruits of my labor. So I want y'all to check it. And hopefully y'all like it, man. But I'm very happy. I'm very proud of myself. I'm very proud of everybody that's around me, that's motivating me, and everybody that's doing their part. So I'm very happy, man. So it's this network. You got to have a good network. But let's get at it, man. We're going to check this video out, check the scene out, and we're going to, you know, get you some good content. Peace.
Same clothes on me 4 weeks straight. Pray the Lord help me for my beef's sake. When my mama died, I became a soldier. Papa couldn't save him, I was out to get paper. You son of a bitch.
It's at your back, man. There's a lot of people. Well, this shit ran out of gas or what? That's full finally showed up. Yeah. Got the homies out. What up, though? You good? Shit, chilling, brother. Chilling. Yeah. Chilling. What's up, bro? JJ, nice to meet you. How are you, my man? Good. This is Sleeping Beauty. Wake your ass up, man.
Bro, I can't hear nothing. Yeah.
This rain's real right now. Hey, look at that. Oh my God. Hey, back up. God damn it.
Hey, get that motherfucker!
Hey, get closer.
Hey, get up in there! Yeah!
Hey, more.
Hold the hood!
Shit.
The hood!
That's done, nigga. That's done. Oh, shit. On top. Hey, you gotta get in there.
There, up there! Stay on top! Stay on top! Stay on top!
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, oh shit. Hey, hit the front. Hit the front. Hey, hit the front.
How do we pump the hood?
The front grill. That's just the, hey, it's gonna be hot as fuck.
Shove it in! Get back! If you have nothing to do, get back! Move it! Don't pop the hood! Hey, I'm done! Stay back!
Damn.
Damn, bitches!
God damn, bro. Damn, that whole salvage title now, bro.
Crazy, bro. Holy shit.
Oh my God, man.
That was insane.
Look at Levi's ass.
Hey, I had the video of it fucking blown
Me
up.
too.
If you need it, I got it.
Who the fuck was trying to
They're over
snap
there.
on it?
Huh?
They're in there all laughing. Like, get the fuck out the car.
Damn, bro.
Oh my God.
That hoe is salvage title. As long as they good, man, they safe, man. Damn. Damn.
Everybody back up, see?
Where the hell were you at? God damn, bro. I got a good amount, bro. We got to do an intro video. And I got to get bro.
Hey, I'll buy it for 200.
Damn, Carlos, what you do, bro? Oh, hell yeah. Bro, that's gonna go viral.
Just put it at the, what is it, the clip, the front part?
That's just done, son. That ain't even opening. That's melted shut.
I said, and this is what happens when you come out on a day. Okay.
Damn. Damn, Jordan's is out of there, boy. Hey. I'm getting soaked. Hey, let me get right over there. Yeah. So yeah, that's done with. That's over with. As long as they safe, man, that's all that matters. And it's raining, they ain't even do shit. God damn. Man. Oh, now it starts raining hard. That shit is salvage title, boy. Alright. Babe, you wanna go now or what? Or you wanna wait a little bit? That's what the hell I just said. That's some bullshit. The rain was false advertising. Alright. Oh my God. Oh my God, no! That's over. Yeah, bro.
Look at that. Look at that.
What?
These numbers.
Oh, yours?
You park right there?
I'm gonna pay to get out of here. Damn. That's some bullshit. You heard us talking shit. Hey man, y'all gotta let me know. Have y'all dealt with shit like this before? That shit was crazy. And then it rains like crazy after. That's done. And they washed it for him. That's good. I know. going crazy.
Here come the Weeboos.
At least his lights still work.
His legs still
On
work.
the inside.
That guy jumped out the car so quick, and the other guy was sitting in the car still laughing like, hey!
Freaking, what's the name? Told him to get out the car. Where'd he go? Damn. It got bad. It got bad. My lotion that I got is fucking my eyes up. Can't see shit. Oh my god. That shit was crazy, bro. Oh shit. Ugh. Oh my god. My poor eyes. Babe, why'd you go that way? She crazy as hell, boy. Bro, the J's is done, son. Oh shit. Ugh. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, that was some bullshit. Oh my god, bro. Look at this. Look at this. That's crazy, bro. My eyes, my lotion in my eyes, bro. Or whatever it was. Oh my god. That was insane. But just to say, first night at the car meet, or first San Antonio car meet, was a great success, if I can say so myself. That shit was crazy. But was out of the, oh my god, bro, look at this shit. Bro, that's crazy. I gotta find wifey. I know shit made no sense. No! We parked at the hospital. Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Look at how soaked my hair is.
Look at me. Oh, this is bullshit. Oh my god.
Let's go to car meet, babe. It'll be fun. Car on fire, pouring rain.
Rain didn't do shit, boy. Rain was false advertising. Oh my god. All right, let's get out of here.
Wait, turn up the trap.